How do you approach information architecture? When approaching information architecture, I simply analyze content and also understand the scope and nature of the information that needs to be organized. Then, I also define a hierarchy to categorize content into logical groups and also determine relationships between them. Again, I also focus on designing intuitive navigation systems that allows users to access information easily and also implementing such features to help users to find specific information quickly. Finally, I iterate and test in order to refine the information architecture through user testing and feedback.